What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're gonna start today off with a throwback video of young Dana. A quick little recap of why I'm throwing some old videos up is because I am taking the time to clean my entire garage out, and you guys are sitting on my new workbench, and you guys can see back there it's a cluster of things, and we're still in the process of cleaning this section of the garage, so you guys are gonna have to stay posted for that. But in the meantime, just so I don't skip uploads, in the meantime we're gonna share some old videos. Don't worry guys, I am recording all of this as I am going, but it's so much that I'm just doing small snippets here and there, and then we're gonna put it into one video. But in the meantime, I figured let's throw some old nostalgic videos. If you guys haven't been around 10 years ago or even been here since day one, I figured I wanted to resurface up some older videos that, you know, some stuff that I did years back when the channel wasn't anything, that didn't get any views. I did a lot of right-hand drive conversions that never seen light because, again, channel wasn't big. There's a lot of like videos of me going to the track for the first time, running down the track with my e-brake up, thinking, why is my car so damn slow? You know what I'm saying? So there's a lot of those videos that I've kind of hand selected a few already, but today's video is a little bit of young Dana, Dana life of YOUNGStatic. This video I'm gonna play is literally just me getting up, going about my day, getting ready to go to work, going to work, lunch, coming back home, things like that. And this is literally like when I had a regular job, and I work nothing but warehouse jobs. I love warehouse jobs, and this was one of my favorite jobs as well too, but had to leave for some other reasons. And yeah, this is literally a super throwback video that never got published as public. It was always on private and nobody saw it. So I figured let's run it back with this one. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's a little different, I know, but bear with me. The uploads following these are gonna be car content. I just wanted to throw a little bit of YOUNGStatic in there, and literally YOUNGStatic in there, and get you guys' like reaction. Also, before I roll these clips, I want to let you guys know that we did select the winners for the We Have Shit Up t-shirt giveaway, and first place winner is Uriel Lazo Perez. I also decided to do second and third place for some blocks items. Blocks items. Second place is Charles Wiggins, and then third place is Daniel Golson. If you guys are in the comments, please leave a comment for me, and then get in contact with me through my social medias, which is in the description below. First place, I just need your information, a little confirmation and information to get this t-shirt shipped out to you. For second and third place, Charles and Daniels, you're gonna have to hit me up so we can have you select which one of these items do you guys want shipped to your door as the winner of this giveaway. And yeah, there's a lot of stuff. So please make sure you guys do that so we can get these out and start this year right. So with that being said, let's roll these clips, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Alright, I gotta get up and go to work. It's 10:40. It's 10 minutes ahead. I leave about 30 minutes and start at 11:30. Grab some Pop-Tarts. Gatorade. Pick up Beaver at his house. He's off today, but decides to work, so here he is.
Alright, so this is what we do. 11:30 to 4 o'clock. We recycle trash, styrofoams, cardboards, wood, everything. Now every morning, these are the Holloway trailers for old appliances like these shit. I go in here every morning, look for coins on the ground from the dryers that come in here, and probably every week I get about $5-6 of coins, pennies, quarters, everything.
Receive a 60-day trial. Refining face mask. Call toll free now. 1-800-753-4099. That's 1-800-753-4099.
It's 4 o'clock, first break. Accomplished a lot today, or at this point, we'll be done by 4 o'clock. Take my 1 hour break. Okay, I'm gonna go back to work. Not exactly 1 hour, but 25-minute break. We finished separating everything: styrofoams, corners, trash, and cardboard. It's 3 o'clock, and we have 1 hour before lunch to clear this whole place up. All right, so it's 3:45. We're done cleaning out here. All boxes lined up, all styrofoams put away, trash is in the baling machine, cardboard's in the baling machine. We were about to take an early lunch because lunch is at 4. It's what time we clock out. And yeah.
Can I place an order to go? Number 3. 221 large.
It's supposed to be Hawaiian Friday, but I don't have my Hawaiian clothes on.
Number 30.
The boss is Hawaiian.
And
Samoan.
2 egg soda.
That's what's up. We eat tonki for lunch. I just clocked this in at 4:31. We didn't get to eat lunch yet because those drivers came in early. Finally got to eat our lunch. Some tonki. You know, you got some chow fun over there and over there. And I got number 3, noodle, wonton. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna start deluxing tractors, which are these over here. It's like 3 tractors. There's 4 people working in the warehouse. We have 3 do check-in and 1 deluxe, which is me because I'm a handyman. I know how to work with tools and assemble stuff. I like doing shit like that. So we can pull out these tractors and start deluxing. All right, look at the clock. It's almost 7 o'clock. And
You don't want to do the tractor?
I'll do the tractor right now.
Okay.
I'll do tractor right now. But this is check-in, you know, completes. Wrap, check in what they bring back from the customer's house. Checking Holloways, how many old merchandise they brought back to junk. These are going to outlets, about 10-20% the original price, so they're semi-used. Okay, I already took all the tractors out. tools. They bought this for me so I can deluxe. What's up, G?
Okay. Oh, that's what I wanted tomorrow, yeah.
Alright, here's the tractors. Get to work. Alright, so it's 7:50. We're gonna close all this door here. I have Garcia closed on this side. I didn't do check-in today. I did deluxing tractors. This is my second one, is almost done, and we're gonna bounce at 8 o'clock. Alright, I just assembled the second tractor. Clock out right now, 8:14. Nah, I don't need to wait for one more minute. Oh, bitch. So tired. Alright, I'm off tomorrow. Alright, it's time to get home.
Teleport and take it inside.
Oh, we out.
Why came long waiting, I don't wanna be late.
It starts with why. I don't know why. It doesn't even matter how hard you try. The truth in the streets, so believe what I say, 'cause it's the truth when I speak. Money motivated, the streets dedicated.
Alright, so I'm home. And now we're gonna play some pool. Gonna drink some beer right here. We out.